Wesley, how you feeling?
Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my gosh. We're doing this thing. Oh my. Ah! Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're making the most out of your day. My name is Connor Gall. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Ecuador. Guys, how absolutely crazy is this? It's already month 2 of the world race. We're not in Colombia anymore. We're in Ecuador. We're in this cute little hostel in Baños, Ecuador. I think it's called Santa Cruz Hostel. They've been incredible to us. Super nice place. Staying here with the entire squad because this month, month 2, is all squad month, which means everybody from training camp, everybody from launch on our squad is here. Not just our team, but our squad. We're all here. And today's like an adventure day. We're taking a break. We're chilling. We're adventuring. So I think I gotta meet everybody downstairs, so yeah, we'll see you there. Here's the squad. Here's everybody. We are currently waiting for our bus to get here to take us to our excursion, but I think it's gonna take us somewhere up in the mountains. I don't know. Hannah!
It's fun. What's up?
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you.
Abby! It's great to see you.
Yay!
We saw you in Colombia.
You did!
How do you feel about Ecuador?
I don't know yet, because we're not where we're gonna be yet. So
true.
Baños is cool, but...
So we're in Baños now.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna be?
We're gonna go to Quito tomorrow.
That is correct. Hannah, how do you feel about ministry in Quito?
It's going to be awesome. We're working with adults with disabilities, so we get to do different types of therapy.
That's awesome. How was your month 1?
Very spoiled. We had all the good things in Colombia. We missed it. Leaving was really hard, so it was a good month.
Hannah told me that she had hot showers the entire month, which we did not.
Every day.
They were in a different spot, but now we're all back together. Hopefully have hot showers this month. Fingers crossed. We've had them here in Baños. Not sure about Quito.
Apparently, Dan is trying to vlog, and he's got too much hype. He just about threw his camera. I don't know.
So last month, me and Wesley taught Dan how to vlog, and he's very energetic. Let's check it out.
There's a whole lot of stuff, and Fran's like cool as heck, just gangster over here.
Woo! Yeah, yeah! Work it, yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for. Fran and Suze. Fran is back. She's coaching us in Ecuador. You didn't finish it.
What's the fun?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a good day, making the most of your day. My name's Connor Gall. Welcome back to the channel.
Oh, I almost fell there.
Did I get that right?
That was close. That's
Dang
good.
it.
Suze, tell us a little bit about what's happening today. What's the plan?
We are going on an adventure. I think we're gonna go swing off the edge of the world, something like that. Some waterfalls, maybe do a zip line, do some karaoke and dance on this party bus.
It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good vlog.
Are you gonna karaoke?
Yeah?
Connor Gall, what's your karaoke go-to song?
Definitely Amazing Grace. How sweet the sound.
Super Christian.
Hashtag world race.
Right here.
That is not our vehicle. This is. Mallory, are you ready for an adventure?
Yeah.
Adventure time. Okay, so we're off the bus at the first stop. This is the ziplining location, and Wesley and I, we're gonna do it. Katie, are you also doing the zipline?
Yes!
How do you feel? Jada, are you gonna do it?
Yeah!
Whoa, first time ziplining?
No.
Katie's your first time ziplining?
Yeah.
It's our first time ziplining.
First time. We're ready. Katie, you gonna do it?
No.
Katie.
I'm not doing it.
Wesley, how you feeling?
Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my gosh. We're doing this thing. Oh my. Ah! 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 Oh my god! It's so awesome! Woo! Oh, so beautiful. Woo! Oh, frick! It's so fast! Oh, gosh. Woo! How was that, Wes?
That was insane.
Oh, I'm so glad I didn't drop the GoPro. How was it?
Such a blast.
We did it! Let's hear it for all squad month in Ecuador. Okay, the bus ride took us much higher into the mountains, and I cannot get over how beautiful it is here. Check out this volcano. Like, that is a legit volcano. How beautiful. But then check this out.
Come on, friend!
Sarah, you're not gonna do it?
Not today. Maybe another day. We'll see.
Lindsay, you're gonna do the swing. No.
My palms are sweating just
Is that
looking
the
at
final
it.
verdict? Abby, how about you?
Heck no.
The swing?
No way.
It looks really pretty with the mountains behind you right now.
Thanks.
How was it?
It was so fun! It was so pretty! Yes!
The music on this bus is still lit, which is exhausting. It's getting colder, but the sun's going down, which means the lighting's getting awesome. So we should be getting some awesome footage here pretty soon. Head to the next spot. Now we're beginning the hike to the tree house. I believe this is where the famous tree swing is. It's kind of steep, but the view should be stellar. This is absolutely so beautiful. Oh my gosh, Ecuador. We are in love. And up here is the famous treehouse swing at the end of the world thing. Okay. Wesley, you're copying my pose.
Oh, what? No! Caught in action.
Give me some wisdom because this shot looks so good right now.
It is just amazing. This place has been so cool. Doing debrief and just being able to like reflect over the last month of ministry and having like our squad mentors come out here and pour their hearts into us and just to help us recuperate and get ready for the next several months of ministry. It's just so good to be out here, you know, just like enjoying God's creation, and it's just such a revival. Like, I feel so good right now.
These are our two incredible coaches for the world race for N Squad, Doug and Chris. How are you guys doing?
Yeah. Awesome.
Hi.
Is this your first
Doing
time
good.
in Ecuador?
First time in
time.
Ecuador.
Wow, what do you
Beautiful.
think?
Beyond amazing, beautiful.
This shot looks so
Crazy,
good
crazy
right now. It's like
beautiful.
insane.
It
I
is
wanted
so
to ask you guys if you had some advice for N Squad going into month 2, what would it be?
Stay open.
That's awesome. Doug?
Stay vulnerable.
Hey.
Keep pushing in.
I
Go
love
deep.
it.
Go deep.
I love it. Vulnerability was our word for month 1, something that we learned, and that's hard, but something that's really good for community. So yeah, vulnerability, going deep, pressing in. We love these guys. Thank you guys so much for coming.
We love you.
We love you. What the heck? Poor friend. She lost her hat. I got your sunglasses, friend. I have them.
I called out one day just to hear a sound. Someone still around. She heard me calling. She heard me say her name, but she hides away. She hides
Goodbye, beautiful mountaintop. I unfortunately did not get to do the swing. Wow, my hair is all over the place. Did not get to do the swing. The line was too long, hopped in the line too late. Got some footage of other people doing the swing. Hopefully it looks good. I hope you enjoyed some of the footage. I hope you enjoyed the day. We had a blast. It's absolutely gorgeous here, Ecuador. Thank you. Tomorrow we're headed to Quito. We're gonna be doing ministry. It's gonna be an awesome month, month 2. For now, we'll say so long. We'll see you next time. If you haven't subscribed, hey, now's a great time to do it. Hit the subscribe button. Hello, hola, ¿cómo estás? All the things. If you're Spanish watching this, subscribe. If you're from the moon watching this, hit the like button. Until next time, peace!